Reporting a stolen phone at the police station. Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hello. I would like to report my stolen phone.
I'm sorry to hear that. What happened?
I was walking home when someone stole my phone.
When did this happen?
It happened about an hour ago.
Where did it happen?
It happened on Maple Street near the bus stop.
Can you tell me exactly what happened?
I was walking and looking at my phone.
What happened next?
A man ran past me and took my phone from my hand.
Did he say anything to you?
No, he didn't say anything.
Did you see his face?
Yes, but only for a few seconds.
Can you describe him?
He was tall and thin.
What was he wearing?
He was wearing a black jacket.
What kind of phone was it?
It was a black iPhone.
Do you know the phone number?
Yes, I do.
What is the number?
The number is 555-274-8163.
Was your phone protected with a passcode?
Yes, my phone had a passcode.
That's good, because it helps protect your information.
Is it possible to find my phone?
We will do our best to find it.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I will create a report for you.
What should I do after that?
You should contact your phone company and report the phone as stolen.
Okay, I will do that today.
Here is your report number.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Reporting a broken car window. Police Department. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to report damage to my car.
What happened?
Someone broke the window of my car.
When did you notice it?
I noticed it about 10 minutes ago.
Where are you right now?
I'm in the parking lot of a grocery store.
What is the name of the store?
It's Green Market on Oak Street.
Is your car still there?
Yes, it is.
Did anyone see what happened?
I don't think so.
Was anything stolen from the car?
I'm not sure yet.
Which window was broken?
The driver's side window was broken.
Do you think the store has security cameras?
Yes, I think there are cameras in the parking lot.
That's helpful information.
Could the cameras show what happened?
They might help us identify the person.
What should I do now?
Please stay where you are and do not touch anything.
Okay, I will wait here.
An officer will come to take a report.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We'll be there as soon as possible.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Coffee break at the police station. Emma, do you want some sugar in your coffee?
No, thank you. I started cutting down on sugar.
That's a good idea.
I'm trying to eat healthier.
I should do the same.
It's not easy,
No, it isn't.
especially when there are donuts in the break room.
Exactly.
How many reports do you still have to finish today?
3 more.
3. I have 4.
It has been a busy day.
Very busy.
We had a lot of calls this morning.
Yes, and a lot of paperwork, too.
Sometimes I think we spend more time writing reports than catching criminals.
I know what you mean.
At least the day goes by quickly.
That's true.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Unfortunately, I have to work on Saturday.
That's too bad.
Yes, but I'm off on Sunday.
That's good. What are you doing on Sunday?
My husband and I are going to my parents' house for lunch.
That sounds nice.
Yes, we don't see them very often.
Do they live far away?
About an hour from here.
That's not too bad.
No, it's a nice drive. What about you? Do you have any plans?
Actually, I do.
Oh?
I have 3 days off.
Lucky you.
I know.
So, what are you going to do?
I'm going to San Diego.
Nice.
I'm going to visit some friends.
Are you driving there?
Yes, I am.
How long will you stay there?
Until Monday afternoon.
That sounds like a great weekend.
I hope so.
Have you known these friends for a long time?
Yes, since high school.
Wow, that's a long friendship.
It is.
Well, I hope you have a great trip.
Thanks. I hope you enjoy lunch with your parents.
Thank you.
We should probably get back to work now.
Unfortunately, yes.
Those reports are not going to write themselves.
I wish they would.
Me too. Let's get back to it.
Reporting a store robbery. Police department, how can I help you?
Hello, I need help right away.
What is your name?
My name is Emma Davis.
What happened, Ms. Davis?
Someone robbed my store.
Are you safe right now?
Yes, I am safe, but I'm very scared.
Where are you calling from?
I am calling from my store on Pine Street.
Is the store open right now?
No, I closed the store after it happened.
Good. When did the robbery happen?
It happened a few minutes ago.
Was anyone hurt?
No, nobody was hurt.
Can you tell me what happened?
A man came into the store and demanded money.
What did you do?
I gave him all the money from the register.
Did he have a weapon?
Yes, he had a knife.
Did you see his face?
Yes, I saw his face clearly.
Can you describe him?
He was tall with short, dark hair.
Okay, tall with short dark hair.
He had blue eyes and a big nose.
Blue eyes and a big nose. Got it.
He also had a tattoo on his neck.
A tattoo on his neck. Do you remember what it was?
Yes, I think it was a scorpion.
A scorpion tattoo. That is important. What was he wearing?
He was wearing all black clothes.
Which way did he go?
He ran down Pine Street.
What is the exact address of your store?
It is 24 Pine Street.
Do you have security cameras?
Yes, I have cameras inside and outside the store.
That is very helpful.
I think the cameras recorded everything.
Please stay inside the store and do not touch anything.
Okay, I am staying inside.
A patrol car is on the way now.
Thank you. I am still very scared.
I understand. We will arrive very soon.
Okay, thank you for your help.
Someone broke into my house. 911, what is your emergency?
Hello? I think someone broke into my house.
Okay, ma'am. What is your name?
My name is Anna Wilson.
Thank you, Miss Wilson. What is your address?
175 Abbey Road.
Are you inside the house?
No, I'm outside.
Good. Please do not go inside.
Okay.
Why do you think someone broke in?
My front door is open.
Did you leave it open when you left?
No, I'm sure I locked it.
Do you see any damage to the door?
Yes, I think the lock is broken.
All right. Do you see anyone near the house?
No, I don't.
When did you last leave the house?
This morning at about 8 a.m.
And when did you come back?
About 5 minutes ago.
Okay. Is anyone supposed to be inside the house?
No, I live alone.
Do you have any pets inside?
No, I don't.
All right. Officers are on the way.
Thank you.
Please stay outside and keep a safe distance from the house.
I will.
Can you tell me what you can see from where you are?
The front door is open and some lights are on.
Were the lights on when you left this morning?
No, they were off.
Okay, that information is helpful.
I'm really nervous.
I understand. You are doing the right thing by staying outside.
I'm afraid someone might still be inside.
That is possible, so please do not enter the house.
I won't.
Do you have a car?
Yes.
Is it parked nearby?
Yes, in the driveway.
If you feel unsafe, you can wait in your car and lock the doors.
That's a good idea.
The officers should arrive in a few minutes.
Thank you.
When they arrive, they will check the house before anyone goes inside.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Stay on the line with me until the officers arrive.
Okay.
Can you see the police car now?
Yes, I can. They just arrived.
Great. Please wave to the officers.
I will.
They will take over from here.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Stay safe.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thanks so much, and good luck with your English learning.